Hello there, and welcome to episode 5 of my Vietnam vlog series. Today I'll be in the famous UNESCO World Heritage Site, Halong Bay. Are the overnight cruises worth the money? Is Halong Bay worth the hype? Stay tuned to find out. After departing from Hanoi, we arrived at the port at Halong Bay. All we knew is that we were booked onto a traditional boat cruise, so we had no idea what to expect. I hope this is what? This? There's people on it. Oh, how do we get on there? Do we jump?
The crew are allowed on the boat.
How did they get on?
No, how do we? That looks dangerous. Boat, bye.
We're on a boat. Feels like everyone's so excited. It's like
Oh, this is cute. Oh, we can have dinner at a table.
Yeah. Oh, first time.
Wow.
How are you?
I'm great, thank you. How are you?
thank you.
Hello.
After that long, painful journey, right? Guys, this is it. We made it.
Finally.
I feel like we've earned this survival.
Finally, people understand.
The rooms were allocated at random. The captain literally put the keys behind his back and let us choose, so I went for a little walk to find out where everyone else was staying for the night. VIP?
Who got that?
Oh wow! You got this? Wow, this is...
How much different is it to you?
Stop. Just setting sail for Halong Bay.
We're in Halong Bay.
Just setting sail to more of Halong Bay. Xin chào. Xin chào. Yeah, right. Ooh, tasty. Got some squid over here and some butter fried fish and shrimps. And the view. Wow. Could you see this anywhere else? Oh. Wow. Oh, I want to bring my glass and we can do cheers. After settling in, we set sail to go kayaking.
Slippery, right?
Xin chào.
Okay, click on the right track here, please.
Thank you. Oh no, my camera. I'm gonna take this off and put it on the top.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm
30 or 45 minutes.
How do we know when to come back?
We have to look at the watch.
Okay, alright, it is
30 or 45 minutes.
3:21. So at 3:50 we should be here. Well,
Should we just say on the hour?
okay. Do you leave your shoes behind? Because other people have. I take my shoes off.
No, leave them on.
Okay. Where do I sit down? I'm gonna sink this boat.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Where should we go, guys?
To the cave?
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door.
Hello.
Xin chào.
Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now.
No, we've only been 18 minutes. How would they even know how long you've been on here for?
Thank God
We've come to rob your boat.
We're pirates.
Yeah, we're pirates. Arr! There's a hole here. I hope it actually is a bin though. It looks like one. Oh yeah, it's definitely been. Xin chào! Oi, Zahoy! I must have said it wrong. Sorry? England! I think.
England.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Oi, zoi, oi.
Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, zoi, oi. Yeah. Wat kakata? Zamlavoy?
Zimbabwe.
In it? Like they do that all day, like rowing big fat people, and they don't even get tired.
You think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved.
After a nice trip kayaking, we headed back to our boat and set sail for T-Top Island. As you can see, T-Top Island is absolutely rammed full of tourists. All those little dots you can see in the distance on the beach, those are people. I then found out we was hiking up this mountain, so where I'm pointing to there, we'd be hiking up there. I wasn't very impressed. Something happened with our boats, don't know if the engine failed, but another boat came to save us. Dear God, just wanna ask you today that these steps will be nice to us and kind to us. That's me, literally. We have the same fitness levels. Oh, is it fast? Climbing up to 1 million steps. Climb millions of steps towards a viewpoint. See? Nearly made it up all of these 400 steps to the top.
There you go.
See? You made it!
I wish I done, so we've got half an hour until.
Right, that's the view. Whew. Halong Bay. So I've got dog paddle.
We're just trying to. It's really salty, so super easy. Hello.
Hello.
Hello from Halong.
Halong Bay, baby. After all that walking, we needed to cool off in the water. Halong Bay cruises are advertised as 2-day and 1 night. However, this is our first day and we were leaving in the morning, so it's kind of only 24 hours. Is that really worth it? I can hear a bit of Bangor.
Yeah.
Caters for all the nations Vietnam does. Yeah. Look at the sunset. Whoop. Oh, there we go. Finished a day of kayaking, hiking, and we're now about to have a cooking class in Halong Bay.
Gordon Ramsay, watch out.
Yeah,
Coming
beautiful
for you.
views, guys. Beautiful views. Oh, God. Can't stand it at all. Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, swear. I thought it was just the English thing. Unts music. Next up on the agenda was a cooking class, and the first thing we made were spring rolls. I'm a bit hit and miss with these. Sometimes I make them perfect, and sometimes they're literally, the filling is just hanging out. Awful. That's alright. Some fried rice.
Smell the lemongrass.
That's the fish. Some stir-fried chicken and the remnants of a shrimp pot rum cocktail.
Imagine if it's a giant squid and it just pulls you in.
Imagine. What, like an octopus?
No,
I caught a squid!
One, two.
On day 2 we woke up and did some morning Tai Chi at 5 AM. I didn't film that because I was half asleep. And then we set sail for some caves and went exploring. Another trek up 1,000,000 steps. Probably like 200 steps to get to the top. I literally just had breakfast. So I'm very tired. I feel like I'm in Tomb Raider. Or Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones vibes.
Yeah. Oh, this one's a big cave.
This is 9,000 square meters.
This is giving me tourism. Hey, look. Don't whack your head. Ah. Alright, on the way to chamber 2 of the caves. Oh, this one's really big. You can see it's very dark. Oh, look at the ceiling. Quite pretty. It's not even 8 AM. It's quite warm in here. Quite thirsty. It's not that hot though. It's kind of cool. Warm but cool. Not boiling hot. This cage is absolutely huge. This cave is absolutely huge. There's loads of tourists in here. I think they've like designed this for tourists because the further in you get, there's loads of paths and loads of light. So it's not really a hard walk through the cave. This is a big cave, man.
Yeah, it's a big cave. 10,000 square meters.
Wow. We're in a bat cave. Yeah, look. Bats. There's loads of bats in this cave. Now I can't see them, but I saw them before. Hi, say hi to my camera. Say hi. Hi, yeah, hi. Woo! Nearly done. Made it out alive. The view from the top. Halong Bay. All those stairs to get out of here. Just finished cave exploring. Now we're back on the boat. It's a traditional Vietnamese boat. And now I've got to pack all my stuff not for tomorrow, I'm going to leave now, so I've got to pack all my stuff. Which is a bit long. There's just loads of stuff on the bed. Fun. Right, I'm just going to show you the top of the boat, the top deck. This isn't even the top deck. There's another deck up here. The middle deck. It's this little boat if you're going on like trips to the other smaller beaches, you get them now. Down those stairs is where my bedroom was. This is where you can chill, have a drink, enjoy the views, or sing. There's a karaoke machine over there. You can do karaoke. So it's nice and cool in here. There's lots of air conditioning. It's quite pretty. It's a nice table. So we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All the food is included. The drinks weren't. And there's a bar here, and you can just help yourself to anything. And I'm assuming I'm gonna pay when I get off because I haven't paid yet for the drinks. So final few hours on the boat. All in all, it's been a good experience so far. I thought it'd be a lot more relaxed, literally just I don't know, just get on a boat, chill, look at the views and sleep. But no, done so many activities. We did kayaking, that was a good experience, got some clips of that. Swimming, that was nice after hiking. So we hiked up to T-Top Island. T-Top Mountain, it's like one of these. It was like 400 steps. Yeah, it was 400 steps. It doesn't sound that bad, but when you actually start walking, it is hard. Like the steps are like, they're big steps, like stone steps, and it's hot, and there's no railings, so it was a lot. I was sweating, I was out of breath, but once you get to the top, to the viewpoint, it's worth it. It looks nice up there, and coming down is a lot easier. It's just a bit slippery because it is monsoon season in Vietnam at the moment, so it has been raining a lot. And today we did a little hike, I wouldn't say hike, trek into some caves, but yeah, good experience. After the boat took us back to the docks, we headed back to Hanoi and of course ended up at Train Street. Oh my god, people are crazy. Everyone's asleep on the track. Oh my god. When I watch these clips back, it makes even more sense as to why the government have closed Train Street to tourists. That poor lady is trying to clear the people off the tracks and they just keep on coming. Bearing in mind, the train is coming in 2 seconds.
De nada. Sí, de nada. De nada.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
And that is the end of this episode. Catch me in the next one on one of those sleeper trains, travelling from Hanoi to Hawaii.
And another woman that can take your spot, my love.